Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up Zelle for multiple users. Let's get straight into it. The first step is to ensure that your business or organization is eligible to use Zelle for multiple users. You want to check with your bank or credit union to see if they offer Zelle for business accounts. Next thing you got to do is to enroll your business in Zelle through your bank or credit union's website or mobile app. You got to provide required business information such as your business name, your address, and tax ID number. Next up, you want to contact your bank or credit union to set up multiple user access for Zelle accounts. You got to provide the names and email addresses of the user who will be accessing the account. Next, you want to assign user roles to each user, such as administrator who can manage account settings, add, remove users, initiate payments, and all that. You could also have initiator, someone who can initiate payments but cannot manage account settings, as well as viewers. That's someone who can view account activities but cannot initiate payments or manage accounts. So you could assign a user role based on these three tiers. Now the next step is to set up user authentication to ensure secure access to the account. Now this may include username and password. It could also include two-factor authentication as well as biometrics authentication. Next up is to monitor and manage user activities, so you can make sure that you regularly monitor and manage user activities to ensure account security and compliance. You also want to use Zelle's reporting feature to track user activities and account transactions. Yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up Zelle for multiple users. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found it useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.